My wife did the research and she looked at another company and her decision was to go with Washington Marble, and they came out and did a fantastic job. From what you can see on the floor, it looks 100% better than what it did before they came here.
They did a great job, restored the floors as good as new. So thank you very much. We appreciate everything you've done for us.
My floor is done by Washington Marble Polishing, and they did a great job and for a really good price, and I recommend them highly.
By work from Washington Marble Polishing today, because this marble floor is just like brand new. I mean, the levels are like perfect. I mean, it's shining more than before. You know, I'm glad that I went to Washington Marble Polishing. You guys should too.
Marble polishing on the way were fast. They came in, they worked really hard. They were working late at night to get us back open because we had to close our cafe. So they were really amazing at not only doing a great job, exactly what we wanted, because we had to pull up all the floor, and then they finished all of the concrete with the color that we liked, and it was amazing. So we're very happy. They did a great job. It was really quick, nice people, reliable, friendly, and happy, and we were happy.